Hi, in this video, you will learn dialogues between a student and a teacher about arranging an event with short sentences and easy English.
Good morning, Mrs. Smith. Can I talk to you about the school event?
Good morning, sure. What's on your mind?
I was thinking we could organize a talent show.
That sounds interesting. What do you have in mind?
Students can perform music, dance, or magic tricks.
Exactly. We could have auditions next week.
Auditions are a good idea to select the acts.
Also, we might need a stage and sound system.
We can use the auditorium for that.
Great. Do we need to get permission?
Yes, I'll handle the permission and booking.
Thank you, Mrs. Smith. Should we form a planning committee?
Yes, gather a group of students to help you out.
I'll ask some friends if they're interested.
Make sure you have a mix of talents in the committee.
Sure, I'll keep that in mind. What about the event date?
How about we do it on a Friday evening, in 2 months?
That gives us enough time to prepare. Sounds good.
We'll also need to think about the audience.
Maybe we can invite parents and other classes.
That's a good idea. We should make some posters too.
I can design the posters and share them around school.
Perfect. Keep me updated on the progress.
Will do. And what about the budget?
I'll check our funds and let you know.
Okay. Thanks, we might need microphones and decorations.
Let's make a list of everything we need.
I'll start on that and email it to you.
Excellent. Keep up the good work.
Thank you, Mrs. Smith. I'm excited about this.
Me too. Let's make it a great event.